back on here backwards. Changing out the front. We're gonna blast through this thing.
This one is a bit easier to do. Every time I say that, it becomes so hard. Here goes the 10 millimeters.
Taking off the front brakes, the caliper.
Yeah, you need to, or else it'll hit the rim over here, and there's no room for it to remove the wheel. And again, the bungee cord. You got this one loose, and then you got the pinch bolt loose. And then you just, and it comes out now. On the normal Sportster, the 48 is pretty special because you don't have to do anything, but on a Sportster, you have to remove the fender because the nuts over here from the bolts that hold it, they rub against the wheel and they won't let you get it out. But this one has enough space where you just like, whoop,
nice.
Get it out of here. Wow.
Hulk.
So we go to this one and break it loose.
He's got that eyebrow, bro. That eyebrow. Smart. Use a magnet to get it out.
See this one? Oh, it comes up easily. Look, it has grease on it. Still has grease on it.
Moist.
Still moist.
Moist axle.
Yes! Still dry on this side. Don't drop these spacers. You lose 10 points if you drop spacers. I remember which side you go to. Now, yeah, hold that wheel in play, and boom. Done.
Bam. Now the fun part.
I need to make a video about this one. You know how it went the last time. Remove this, the inside of it.
So you just grab onto it there and...
Yeah, it's as easy as that.
Damn.
Always that one. What's the next step? That'll...
Loosen it.
Yeah, just loosen it a little bit. Enough so it can actually move. Come on.
Brick in the law, brick in the law. Beautiful.
There you go. One in first. So that. And then you just work your way and make sure this is not on exactly where it is right now. Nope. Can't happen.
So you don't want the valve stem to be right over one of the pieces of the ground?
Yes. Because it'll make your life hell.
Pro tips.
Make life easier. This actually has to be sitting.
What is this stuff you sprayed on it?
Just a cleaner. This has to fall in over here so you can actually break it loose. Wrong way. Wrong way.
That was close.
Yeah, it happens. Happens once in a while.
So you just got to get the lip over it?
Yeah. I'm not too worried about it. So this actually has to like sit in the center of the rim, so it's easier to remove. Yeah. So we got a new rim band over here. Let's see what's up with underneath on this one. Look at that. Usually there's some damage around here, like.
Yeah.
Usually. But yeah, look on the inside. This is what stops these from damaging your tube.
Nice.
As you can see, your tube is brand new over there, huh? Cool. Has this little thing over here for it, you know? And you gotta put the right one. And we had in stock the Harley-Davidson ones. What?
Nice.
So next step is what? To look at the tire and know which side. Let's do this. Slide.
Yeah, that's a scientific name for it.
Yeah, it's a scientific name. It says it over here, like... Oh, it's even worse, the name.
Is it stuff?
Yeah, tire mount stuff. S-T-U-F.
Or
Stoof.
Stoof.
It's stoof.
Tire stoof.
what's the correct pronunciation?
Yeah, pointing forward.
What if it, how would it have become wrong since then?
Look at this one. It's gonna get pretty tricky over here. Oh, dude, it's supposed to have like a little curvature and it's done already. Never forget, bouncing bead. Bouncing dot. And wait for it.
Replacing valve stem. Sassily.
Like everything Pedro does.
With sass.
With sass.
So now you're gonna go over there on the frame and you're gonna see what's the tire pressure. I guess it's 36. Go check it out.
You're right.
Yes.
Yeah, I will say and then because
Yeah.
oh yeah.
First time I've heard that voice from him.
Hey, Rod.
Yeah.
Your first task as my apprentice is to hold these forks straight. Like, dude, you're awesome. And now you hold the wheel too.
Dang.
While I do my favorite thing.
Raj, you're a natural at this.
Is he literally just gonna hit this with a hammer while I sit here?
No.
He's gonna lube the
You're not gonna put that voice in the video, I know that.
He's gonna put that voice in the video. Nope.
Yes, it is. If you put this in the right angle, it will whistle with the wind. It would do like.
Wait.
Yeah, this spacer is like that, and the other one.
Here, I got it.
Boom. Both spacers are in.
Right hand up further.
Dude, wait.
North.
There it is.
North.
Now you can let it go. Now you can let it go, brother. Because I gotta do this. Look. Drop it a little bit, line it, boom.
Boom.
Bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Don't forget this guy.
Are you happy with your sports wheels?
Forget this guy. So happy. Again, the torque on this is half a turn before it breaks. There you go. So really, we're going old school over here because my good torque wrenches are at home. There it is. It's gonna fit to 60 and that's it. Next step is the brake caliper. Caliper, which you slide like this, very good. Boom, like butter.
We'll do that next time.
I never realized how fucking terrifying it is to be on the back of a motorcycle. Never been.
Never forget to put the little cap on it. The customer will get pissed.
Customers. Thanks for the new tire, but how dare you forget to put the cap back on? Alright, so Padre has finished up the awesome job putting some new shoes on the old gal. He's gonna lower it down, he's gonna take it for a ride, make sure all is good, because he doesn't want me to die.
What do you do when you mess with the brakes down there?
Pump him.
Done.
A few moments later.
Sounds like a thunderstorm.
Sounds good.
Oh, I'm
Sounds
so
really
happy.
good.
That.
Yes. That sound right there.
There you go.
Pedro stamp of approval.
Thumb of approval.
Yeah. The bike just got new shoes. It's ready to roll.
Word.
That's right. That's it, dude. It's just right. And
Thanks, bro.
And he keeps following me.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome, bro.
Yeah. He's like, damn it, get the camera off of me.
Get that thing out of my face.
Alright, I'll do the outro when we leave. Well, Padre doesn't like being in front of the camera in the outro, but hey, hope you guys enjoyed the how-to video here at Standard Motorcycle Company. That's how you guys remove your front and rear tires, or wheels rather, to change your tires. A lot of you guys aren't going to have access to the thing that basically takes the tires off of the wheels and puts them on there. So what a lot of people do is they remove the wheels and then they take them to a place, get new tires, bring them back, put your wheels and tires back on. Big thanks to Standard Motorcycle Company. Big thanks to Padre. I really need you guys to do me a favor, actually. Blow up his Instagram for me. What are you looking at over there? What's the weirdness?
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you very much.
Oh, did you find that?
Oh, I found something.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, man.
Hey, man, we appreciate it, dude. Quite a bit, man.
This is awesome, dude. You gave me a
We'll be working together quite a bit, sir. Get used to it. All right. Yes. Hell yeah. So huge thanks to Pedro at Standard Motorcycle Company. You guys be sure to hit him up on Instagram. You guys be sure to check out Standard Motorcycle Company as well. I'll drop all the links down in the description. This is the first of many videos that we're going to be doing with Standard, guys. Oh man, I just feel super lucky, super privileged to have been able to head up there and meet these guys. I think it's the start of something awesome. So you guys be sure to go check out Pedro, check out Standard Motorcycle Company. You guys check out Jason Paul Michaels as well. And seriously, like if you're in the Central Florida area and you're looking for a co-op, you know, a garage that basically supplies everything you need for motorcycle lifts to, you know, hell, even the mechanic advice, you know, they'll walk you through some stuff through, like, dude, taking off your wheels and tires. Like, I've never done that before. So having Pedro do that and walk me through it for the first time gives you a hell of a lot more confidence, you know? You know, having people there to basically, to help you out if you need it. And it's such a cool vibe there, man. And there's, I mean, the people that are up there, it's just super chill. And I mean, you can get some delicious coffee that makes you feel all jittery. I thought like I was gonna go into supersonic overdrive. That Foxtail coffee, man, it's serious. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. If you guys want access to behind the scenes stuff, if you want a chance to win some cool free stuff as well, be sure to check out Patreon, patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. And hey, if you guys have any friends that enjoy motorcycle content, do me a solid and share the channel with them. It helps out quite a bit. Anyways, till next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. And we'll catch y'all later. Deuces.